September 10th, 2024. I just picked up my G3 1860. I had a Evinrude E-tec 90 put on it. Took it down to Causeway Marina in Camden, North Carolina. Real good folks down there, gave me a good price. Did a real good, nice, neat installation. And took it for a little test ride, but it was a little rough, so I couldn't really open it up. So I got a tachometer, got a temperature gauge, got a switch to activate my jack plate, and then the ignition switch along with the throttle and the steering wheel. So we put a jack plate on it. We're going to put a different prop on it. That prop's turning 5,900 RPM. We're going to put a little bit more pitch in it. Get that RPM down a little bit. So anyway, it's all done. I need to, I'm going to make like a temporary shelf right there and run a 12-gallon fuel tank right there. In the future, I'm going to extend that deck a little bit and put a bigger tank in it. But for now, I'm just going to mount a plastic 12-gallon tank right there underneath that opening for storage. So yeah, I need to finish my shelf that I put underneath the console. Need to get the stickers off of it, get it all cleaned up. It's a nice boat, I like it. It was rough today. We took it out for a little spin and it was pretty rough, but this is a solid boat. Ain't no doubt about that. When you get up on step, trying to see how fast it'll go when it's rough, you can really feel how solid it is. So yeah, I need to finish that shelf down there. I need to install this hatch lid permanently along with the latch. It's got a built-in lock, but that's what I got. Pretty nice John boat. It's pretty fast for that 90. Should go 40 miles an hour, I think. This is a 2007 model. It's got like 367 hours on it. So it's not like it's a high time motor or anything. It's an old motor, 17 years old. But these E-tecs, they were good motors when they made them. They didn't make them for long. Really good on gas. This thing will rival a 4-stroke in gas miles. So that's why I stepped up to this one. I wasn't going to put that looper on it, but when I found out this motor was available, I thought, what the heck? I'll spend a little more money, go with the E-tec. It's kind of a gamble because it's got a lot of stuff that, guy can't really work on it. But for the most part, they're good engines. We'll see how that goes. So this is where I'm at. Got a few minor details, and I'm gonna go fishing. Thanks for watching. Peace out.